in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to use a face mist in 5 amazing ways. I feel like face mists are the most underrated skincare products, but they have so many benefits. They can literally transform your skin in just 10 seconds. They can literally change your entire skincare game in no time, and they can make you feel so nice and so refreshed. ये इंस्टेंटली आपके मूड को, आपके स्किन को, हर चीज़ को रिवाइव कर सकता है. दैट्स हाउ पावरफुल अ फेस मिस्ट इज़. बट आई फील लाइक पीपल डोंट ऑफन यूज़ फेस मिस्ट बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि फेस मिस्ट का इतना काम नहीं होता. बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर स्किन केयर regime, and I'm going to be showing you all 5 amazing ways of using this product. So the face mist that I have in today's video is by NEUD. This is their rose water facial mist spray. Now this contains aloe vera, which provides an instant boost of hydration to the skin, and it soothes and calms down your skin. And it's got cucumber, which is great for sunburns too. It soothes your skin, calms it down, refreshes it instantly, and it just provides such a cooling effect to the skin. So the number one way of using this face mist is as a toner. After using a face wash and before using a serum or a moisturizer, you want to use the toner. तो face wash के तुरंत बाद आपको ये toner लगाना है. You can just spray this on a cotton pad and then wipe the cotton pad all over your face. This is going to help to balance the pH level of your skin. It's going to provide that instant boost of hydration and refreshment on your skin, which the face wash has taken away. And it will just help to nicely refresh your skin, revive it, and make it look plump. So this can make a perfect part in your nighttime skincare regime if you use this as a toner. For the second way, you can use this at any point of time. So when you're out and about and the weather is hot, you're under the sun and you're just feeling very tired and your skin feels dehydrated, you can just spray this all over your skin. It will instantly not just refresh your skin but also your mind, also your mood, and just revive you. All the tiredness will be gone instantly in no time, and आप बहुत ज़्यादा energetic feel करने लगोगे with the help of this. तो ये आपको instantly revive कर सकता है, refresh कर सकता है, energetic बना सकता है, and it will put you in such a good mood. So you can use this during the daytime when you're out and about, and just spray this at any point of time, once, twice, thrice, any number of times throughout the day. And you can also share this with your friends, with your relatives, with your family, whoever that you're out with, and you all can feel fresh at the same time. The third way of using this is as a hair mist. Yes, you heard that right. This is a face mist, but it can also be used as a hair mist, and you can use this when you're outdoors as well as when you're indoors. So जब आप बाहर हो, when you're outdoors, when you're in the hot sun, तो आपके बाल भी थोड़े से dehydrated हो जाते हैं, थोड़े से रूखे सूखे feel होने लगते हैं. So you can spray this all over your hair, and it will instantly provide that boost of hydration to your hair as well, and your hair will feel fresh and nice all day long. And even when you're indoors, suppose you're like working from an office or you're working from home and आप बहुत ज़्यादा AC में बैठते हो, तो the air condition, it pulls away all the moisture out of your skin, out of your hair, and it can make your hair and skin both very dehydrated. So even if you're sitting indoors, you can spray this all over your face, all over your hair, and instantly आपके skin और बाल दोनों ही hydrated feel होने लगेंगे. So this can be used both indoors as well as outdoors, on your skin as well as on your hair. Now the fourth way of using this is to mix it in your DIYs. So whenever you're making a face mask at home or maybe a clay mask at home, you just want to take the powders and then mix this face mist into it, and then you can apply it all over your face. तो इसकी मदद से ना आपको अपने DIYs को paste के form में बनाना है. This will help to do that, and it's got the goodness of rose water, it's got the goodness of cucumber and aloe vera, which are all amazing for your skin. And usually ये सारे ingredients DIYs में जाते हैं, right? तो आपको ये सारे ingredients के benefits मिल जाएंगे along with the clay that you're using, and it will help to make your skin more glowing, more smooth and soft. And this is an amazing alternative to milk or curd or any other ingredients that usually don't suit us oily skin, us sensitive skin girls. तो आप ये use कर सकते हो to make your DIYs, to make your DIY face mask. The fifth and my most favorite way of using a face mist is to use it as a pre and post makeup mist. So before I begin with my makeup, I just spray this all over my face, and it just instantly provides that boost of hydration and refreshment on my skin. And इसके ऊपर मैं जो भी makeup apply करती हूँ, it just looks so much more refreshed than if I would not apply a face mist. एंड पूरा मेकअप ख़त्म करने के बाद मैं इसको दोबारा अपने फेस पे स्प्रे करती हूँ. इससे मेरा मेकअप जो है वो इंस्टेंटली रिवाइव हो जाता है, मेकअप काफ़ी फ्रेश लगता है एंड इट लुक्स फ्रेश फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. एंड जब भी मेरा मेकअप थोड़ा बहुत डल लगने लगता है, आई जस्ट स्प्रे दिस अगेन and it makes my makeup look fresh again. This will not increase the longevity of your makeup. It's not a makeup setting spray, but it will just increase the freshness of your makeup. So your makeup will end up looking fresher for a longer time. So these are the 5 amazing ways that I use a face mist. This nude rose water facial mist spray is my absolute favorite. It smells so amazing. It smells so wonderful. I just cannot get over how amazing this face mist is. I keep using it all the time and it's one of the best face mists out there, trust me. So in case if you want to purchase this, I will leave the purchase link in the description box below. You can check that out. So if you try this face mist out or any of the uses that I mentioned in today's video, do let me know how it works out for you. Also let me know if you want to see more such videos. Just comment down below with the topic and I'll definitely make a useful informational video for you all. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.